Welcome traders to our new videos. Today we'll discuss how the market is behaved and how many trade opportunities we got. Since today was the RBI day, some decision has to be taken. That is a event day, and most of the traders they will avoid to do this trade. But one thing you have to remember, even in the budget day as well as this day, I'm telling this kind of day you'll be having a good movement, and as an option buyer you'll be having always a point, but kind of risk is there. You don't know market where it will go, but when it will start you will understand the trend of that day. Most of the time it will follow. This is what the trading opportunity as we got. Okay, so before I'll start, I'll do you one thing I'll do. This is actually yesterday high. Okay, so as I always tell you, market behave and take support from the day high or day low, and also it acts as a good support and resistance. Okay, today in first times, see, 9:30, 9:30 it is breaks without any pause, but there is small pause is there, but we will not consider there is a pause. Okay, but there is pause and it breaks. There is no consolidation, but in event day when it breaks, most of the time I have seen it don't take pause. It will immediately break in first hour. Okay, the same thing it is happen. Okay, but we are not supposed to take the trade here. As per rule, we have to see any consolidation breakout, or the price will first give a breakout, then retrace back to that support zone or resistance zone, then we can take a trade. Hope you are very clear on this. Okay, this is what the market. Then market what done, it went to some level, maybe from here to 811 to 879. It is almost 70 points it went. Then it came back another 70 points, then again went to 70 points plus, then a lower higher low it made. Okay, then it went back, then there is a consolidation phase. This is all about the today's market. Okay, but here we have to see the whatever the trade opportunities we had today, that is our concern, and where we can take this kind of movement. So as I always tell, you take a trade at support level. Okay, and if a price is breaking after spending some time, that breakout you can take a trade. So if this would have been here, it would have been spent some time, then it would have broken, then I would have interested to take this trade here itself. But you can see from here to here it went like rocket. Okay, you don't know when if it will come back, then it will come back immediately to here. Today it worked, that is different thing. Hope you are understanding this concept very well. So I will take you the Excel sheet, even though this is nothing related, because today was event day. Event you don't know what will happen, but I am just telling you, yesterday it was negative, but today it was given a good movement. Okay, yesterday is also kind of sideways. It's, you can tell yesterday was trending. Okay, so yesterday was trending. Today today if there is a common day, it would have been sideways, but since this is a event day, so it kind of trending today also happened. Okay, these things you have to remember. So where we can take the trade, that matters a lot. So what we'll do, 1 second. So as I told you, we'll take a trade here first trade here we are getting. So I'll just mark it where we are getting the trade. Okay, here one, then second. Immediately when it breaks, it make a new high. We have to mark here like day high. Up to that level, that is a day high. So we'll mark a day high immediately. Okay. So what happened from here to here? It retraced. Okay, so there is a chances at least 50% it will be retraced, but in this case 70% it retraced. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take a trade here, one more trade here. We can take it. Okay, so two trade today we got even another trade also here, because first time also it retraced, second time also it retraced, third time also it will retrace but little less because it is making what, higher lows. So here there is a chances it will make a higher lows, what it has happened like that only. But for a small scalping trade you can take here, even though you are getting 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2 you are getting. See here, so three trades today you are getting. If you take this trade one, this also you can get a trade and no profit trade only, but better you take a trade here, here and here. And after that if you are thinking this trade after it breaks this one, uh, there is a fail trade. This is a fail trade. This is a breakout, this is a fail trade. So you can see three entry you had, one two three four entry, out of this three was successful. Okay, so this is all about the today day. So I will just quickly calculate how many points, at least these two I will show you. That scalping trade I will not show. So as for my things I will show you two good trade. Okay, when you are getting immediately two trades you just go out from the market. That's what my total ideology. So I will just take a long positions here. Sorry. So this candle I'm taking, I'm just putting below to that uh, candle, then just putting my target up to that previous today's high, today high. So you see for 20 risk I am getting 57. So option for you are giving risk for 500 rupees and you are getting reward of 1425. Okay, so you are getting almost 2.5. It will be more if I'll go to the I'll show you the direct chart, but I'm just taking zero point 0.5. So this is what time we got this trade, that also we supposed to see, because that is most important thing. 1050, because as an option buyer you have to check how much time this is taking. If it is taking same point in 3 hours, then we don't have any use. So up to 1 hour, 1.5 hours, it's fine. Okay, if 2 hours you have to sacrifice maybe 10 points. Okay, if two one is to 2.84 means you can wait 2 hours. That is fine. That premium decay, that 0.84 reward it will take, but still you are going to get two. and your exit time is so 11:45. So it's good time, means only 1 hour, or 1:2.8. It's very good actually. Okay, see the second trade when we are getting, so we are getting exactly 11:50. 11:50 we are getting, and we are exiting at maybe here 12:35. This is a good trade because only maybe 10:45 minutes we are achieving our target. Also we'll check how much point we got in that trade, whether we are, so I'll just remove this one so that I can put this one is short position. So I'm taking trade here. Okay, so I'll just put stop loss here and target. I'll give 2. Yes. So we are getting not, so what we'll do below, I think our stop loss is little big, so here we can get. Okay, so we are getting for risk 14.33 points. We are getting 14, this is 33. I'll just copy and paste here formula. So you can see both trade you are successful, and you are getting in one lot. I'm telling 2,250 for one lot you are getting. So this is what the thing, it is very clear. So this is the power of option I told, and eventually I told the same thing, that you have to uh, because option buying you are not, you have to put a stop loss, sure, but you don't know in event day how much point is going to give. Today there is not that much of movement, but still you can make a profit, not like a budget day. But yesterday you can see there is a good movement from here to here, it is got rallied, from here to here it again rallied. So if we are very clear on this, how much point you can get on this, especially in option buying. So one more thing, see this is above 60 means most of the time it will continue. See, this is another strategy, but I'm not preferring this one right now. So for us price action is the king, so we'll take based on our price action and CPR. So well, thank you for uh, listening me, and if you are not following me, and just subscribe me and like this video, so that it will gives kind of inspire, it will inspire us actually, uh, because I'm a job where I have to come office, and then only I can make the video. So all the best, have a good day. Thank you.